This car is just beautiful all around. Has original Fuchs wheels, 16-inch, with the must-have Bridgestone Potenza tires all around. Those are the best tires for the 930 in my opinion. You can see the condition all around. The rubbers look new. They're all black. There's no fading. The paint is amazing all around. The stance, the way the car sits, makes it above the average. Everything works. AC works. It's got the original radio. The interior is finished in Cashmere Beige from factory. The seats are in outstanding condition as well. As you can see, there's no rips. The carpets are also in very good condition. The shifter is immaculate, factory radio. The dash cover doesn't have any cracks or any warpage. The headliner is also very nice. Sunroof operates perfectly. AC works. It has this beautiful RS style steering wheel that makes just the driving experience a lot more enjoyable. It idles perfectly. There's no warnings, no problems, no smoke. Engine sounds beautifully. No valve ticking, nothing. You can see the plating. The hardware is all also intact. It has a clear bra, half of the front lip to protect it from rock chips, which, you know, it's always a good idea to have in a 930 or any 911. Green stickers are everywhere, which shows this is an accident-free car. Spare tire, battery, no rust around the tank. Even the mouse-skin fabric of the trunk liner is absolutely beautiful. That still retains the option sticker. The car came with power seats and limited slip. It's just, this is really a must-have 930. No excuses.